Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out a practical, pet-focused cordless vacuum designed for everyday cleaning, the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard 280W self-standing cordless vacuum. This vacuum is built with one clear goal in mind: making pet hair and daily mess cleanup easier without overcomplicating things. With a strong 280W motor, it delivers solid suction power for its class, handling dust, crumbs, and especially stubborn pet hair on carpets, rugs, upholstery, and hard floors. One of the most useful features here is the self-cleaning brush roll. Pet hair is usually the biggest headache with vacuums because it wraps around the roller and reduces performance over time. Bissell's FurGuard system actively helps reduce that buildup, so you spend less time cutting hair off the brush and more time actually cleaning. The vacuum is cordless and comes with a removable battery, which is a big advantage. You can swap batteries if you have a spare or charge it separately while continuing your cleaning routine. This gives more flexibility compared to built-in battery designs. Another standout design feature is its self-standing capability. You don't need to lean it against a wall or lay it down when taking a break. It stays upright on its own. This sounds simple, but it makes a big difference in everyday convenience. For visibility, it includes bright LED headlights on the cleaning head. These lights help reveal dust, crumbs, and pet hair in darker areas like under furniture or in low-light corners. It ensures you don't miss hidden debris while cleaning. It also includes useful attachments like an upholstery tool, making it easy to clean sofas, car seats, stairs, and fabric surfaces. Combined with its lightweight cordless design, it's practical for switching between different cleaning tasks quickly. The wall mount adds another layer of convenience by giving you a dedicated storage and charging spot, keeping everything organized and ready to go. Overall, the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard is designed for pet owners and everyday households that want strong suction, low-maintenance brush care, and simple usability. It doesn't try to be overly complex. It focuses on making daily cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more home tech and cleaning gear reviews, and check the link below to get the Bissell PowerClean FurGuard on Amazon today.